What are the career options in the logistics? And of course, logistics is the current recession-proof industry. And I thought I would take up what are the emerging technologies and skills required for future logistics industry. So we could discuss that. It's a primer actually. It's not an elaborate one. Of course, because of the time constraint, I've attempted to cover most of the factors, right? Now the whole industry, as you know, it's moved to Industry 4.0. So Industry 4.0 is technology embedded in the industries. Now in the logistics framework, what are the career options, or what are the sectors one can opt for, working for? Like they could be warehouse management and operations, transport management, freight forwarding is one arm which we all know, sales and customer service, marketing is one, logistics solutioning and program management, and logistic process improvement and information systems. So all these IT factors would be in this role, like building up the logistic information systems, and of course somebody to work into the continuous improvement of all the logistic processes, because it's going to be a bigger fraction now with technology being embedded. So let's go into the technology part of the future logistics. What does a logistic professional would likely to know, right? Or what are the different types of professions available in the logistic industry in Industry 4.0. So as we know, the technologies like big data, which is going to be helpful in analyzing data to optimize assets, to optimize delivery, to optimize efficiency, and also the business models. In integrated logistics solutions, being integrated with the omni-channel logistics to support dynamic delivery for the customers, and robotic process automation, that goes without saying, right? So most of the new levels of productivity will be defined based on the machines taking over the human factors. Now, as per the Economic Forum, by 2022, in the manufacturing sector, there's about 58% would be in automation, meaning only 42 will be menial labor or the human factor involved. Okay, and then 3D printing, all right, for delivery on demand for customers, that is also going to happen. Drone deliveries, so that is going to be also part of logistics, right? Especially with the current situation, they're going to use drones probably to deliver products to the customers. That could come in future. And of course the predictive data analysis, which we use based on data analysis algorithms to boost efficiency and capacity of the logistic operations as whole. Now within this technological plus the domain framework, what are the roles that could be coming out, right? So one is a logistics information system manager. So that is going to evolve in a very big way, where people will be working on the IT systems for integrating this technology into logistics. And vertical specialization, these are the domain skills, like specific, industry specific. Food means food, pharma, health, right? So retail. So all these vertical specializations in the supply chain, that would also evolve. Okay, and then the third role is a logistic solution, providing ERP oriented supply chain management, planning, design to optimize the efficiency. Okay, and of course the program management for all these things, right? You need program managers, you need delivery managers who can combine, who knows knowledge, or who has knowledge of both functional and as well as the technical knowledge. So they are going to play a much bigger role. So these are some of the primary or main roles which are going to evolve based on the technologies which are going to be part of the logistics. Okay. Thank you and all the best.